Ready? Here we go. Now let's listen to this motor. If we stop, I'll get ready to turn the light on. Here we go. Listen. If we stop on one, I'll kick it back on. Is the indicator all the way burned out?
Looks like it.
She works. You lied to me.
If we weren't here, you'd ask me.
You want to get out and get a view?
Why not?
I know he's going to try to do it. I'm not going to allow that to happen.
I've been trying all day. All day.
You shut the door on me, though. You.
The video's over.
But it doesn't have to be.
You can always watch more.
And you know what to do.
Click the buttons. And don't forget to subscribe. And light up that bell. Until next time, bye, y'all.